Assalamu alaikum. Dear friend, hope you all were doing well and I am fine too. Now I am here for telling you about the informative topic that is history of the number random and the not random. First we're talking about the history of the number. You all know mathematics is totally depend on the number and no one know where is the number came from. First we're talking about the Stone Age people. They don't know about the number. One day they got three deer and hunt them and got them easily. One day they saw more than 10 deers and they failed to communicate with his friend and tell him how many deers were there. So they started telemark for counting the deer, but for the larger number they failed. So they start the stone for counting the numbers, but for the large number they also failed. So after the few centuries, the civilization was started and the people come cave to the hut and the barter system is also started. The civilization was started, the people civilized with the things, but at the time they will need the number. So they developed the 30 numbers with the symbol named as Sim, Tim, Pin, Plov, Vam, Ram, Slop, Clout, Clam, Amber, Ramba, Jolo, Polo, Molo. So on. They got the 29 as name Maya and the 30 as name Saka. But it is very difficult to remember with the symbol. After that, Egyptians was coming. So they start the new number system. They got 1 for the 1 rod. Similarly, 9 for the 9 rod. They realized 10 rod was getting so long instead of they use horseshoe for the 10. Similarly, 9 horseshoe represent the 90. For 100, they got a coil rod. They use lotus for the 1000. For 10,000, they're pointing a finger, just like that. For leg, they use that pole. And for the 10 leg, they use the astonishment. Egyptian number system was better than the other number system, just like the astonishment and the civilization. After that, the modern number system was introduced, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. From the modern number system, the medieval number system was introduced. From medieval, the Arabic was introduced, and from Arabic, the Hindu number system was introduced, and the Brahmin number system was introduced from the Hindu. You know, 1 is only represented as the 1 because it has a single angle was present in the 1, and 2 it has 2 angle, and the 3 it has 3 angles. In 4 there was an 4 angle and the 4 angle was represented the 4. In 5 there is an 5 angle, and in 6 there is an 6 angles, and in 7 there is an 7 angle, or in 8 there was an 8 angle, and in 9 there was a 9 angle. So the numbers was introduced on the basis of the present angles, but in 0, which has no value, it has no angle. So this is the history of the numbers. Then we talk about the random. What is random? The thing which is not recognized is called random, just like rolling a coin. Throw a dice is a random. And the one and the only the biggest thing, the YouTube URL is the random. So these are the examples of the random. Then we talk about the not random. Just like regularly, water freeze on 0 centigrade, moon is moving around the earth. So I hope you all will understand the history of the number random and the not random. I end my video with the famous quotation of the Einstein, that is, God does not play dice. Thank you.